remove duplicated content from your Excel sheet, first open your sheet. Then at the very top, click on Data. From here, come over to Data Tools, and then click on this icon, which is Remove Duplicates. When you do this, you will be asked to select what kind of content you want removed. For this example, I want people with the same full name to be removed. So for that, I will unclick every other checkbox. When you have this done, click OK. It has now told me that 292 duplicate values have been found and removed, and it is also telling me how many unique values remain. Just click OK, and all your duplicates will have now been removed.